Welcome back, creators. Thank you for joining Missionese with Creatality, where we are creating our own reality with whatever we find around us. Especially in these times, upcycling is so important. So tonight I have a really super easy and fun project that will give you hours of fun with your children, or just you and your partner, or just you by yourself. So tonight I would love to share with you a kinetic creative experiment and project that we will call the doo-doo roll launcher. So the doo-doo roll launcher is basically based off of the premise of a catapult or a slingshot or any other projectile type of happy weapon that will burst glitter and rainbows into your universe. So here are your supplies that you will need. I have two very highly prized rolls, toilet paper rolls. You can also, if you can imagine this, 1, 2, 3 up. This would be a paper towel roll. Any type of tubular cardboard structure is what you're gonna need. So this and the three principal objects: a cardboard doo-doo roll, a balloon that you might have had left over from a birthday. Balloon is very, very important. And then some tape. I have some electrical tape. I have some beautiful red tape. You might also have some Scotch tape. Scotch tape will work. You'll just have to go around and around and around. So the first thing that we're going to do, this is our cannon of goodness that we're going to launch. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take and stretch your balloon. We're going to stretch that balloon, stretch it out. And we're going to cut off the very tip. Don't be afraid to cut off the tip. It's okay. Cut off the tip of that balloon. Okay? Just like that. See? Kind of looks like a champagne glass or a martini glass. There we go. For all your mommies out there or daddies, you might know. Now what we're going to do, we are going to stretch this balloon around the tip of our doo-doo roll, like so. Do you see it? Now it looks like a little gnome hat, a little yellow Smurf hat. I have a little yellow Smurf. Okay? You bring that around. Next thing, you're gonna grab your tape. I'm grabbing my red tape. Like I said, if you have Scotch tape, if you just have like gift wrap tape, that's okay too. I'm trying to use what I can that makes it a little bit more bright in our videos, and so I'm going to use some red tape. And you're just going to pull. You've cut off the tip of your balloon. Oh, why would you do that? Because you're going to make a wonderful launcher out of it. You're going to pull it over the top like that. And it seems tight, but it's not tight enough. So you're going to wrap around that tape. And you're going to wrap it around and create a nice seal. And then you're going to give a little quick snip, scissors. And now you have a little hat. So with that little hat, you're going to tie a little knot. So pull it up. I would say one hand down, one hand up. And give a little loop. See the fish? Oh, see the X? Put that X through the fish head and pull, and boom. You got a nice little topper on that. You need to give a little hat to your little doo-doo roll. So you have your balloon and you have your tape. Now, I would recommend with your littles or for yourself, you have some markers. You have some stickers. You want to make this launcher the most beautiful launcher that you've ever had. So let's see. I'm going to grab some turquoise. And I'm just going to go around, do a little chevron, which is like a up and down, up and down, up and down, which in Egyptian hieroglyphics, that's the letter for N. And it looks like water. So I'm just gonna do a little, I love chevrons. I love up and down, little spikes, peaks and lows, highs and lows. And always put your caps back on your markers, because if not, guess what? The marker dies. You don't want a marker dead, okay? And now maybe I'm gonna put a couple of stickers on it. If you have stickers, these little happy stickers, I have some really interesting, trippy, psychedelic, heavenly goose stickers. So I'm gonna put a heavenly goose I'm gonna put a golden goose on mine. Decorate your launcher. There's one right there. Oh, look at that. Wow. How would you not want to launch something out of a golden goose, right? And I have a couple of these cute little happy faces. So I'm gonna do a little happy face here. Oh, and a little happy face here, a little pink one. Oh, so happy. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd you go, Happy? Sometimes that's what happens. You have to just follow that trail of happiness. It gets lost, but it's okay. There we go, turquoise. Okay, so there's my launcher. Balloon tied at the end, decorated on the tube with my golden goose, my happy stickers, and my tape. Now, the true test. Are you ready for this? You want to get a projectile that's non-lethal, no headshots. Always, children, if you're watching this, you want to do your fireworks out of this. There's no headshots. So for me, I have puffballs. So let's see what happens if I'm going to test this out and see how my launcher works. So here's our launcher. Pull back on the string, well, on the knot, and you launch, and let's see what happens. Woo! Hallelujah! And now here we go again. Woo! It went over a fence. Thank goodness we know our neighbors. Everybody should know their neighbors. Puffballs, puffballs. Oh, what else should I have? How about a cork? How about a cork? Oh, that just went so far. Did you see how my doo-doo roll launcher went into my neighbor's yard? And we are not that close. And let's see. We have a little tiny ball. Happy ball. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Woohoo! I love motion. So there you go. There is your doo-doo roll launcher. You can use marshmallows, you can use puff balls, cotton balls. I would just advise, the rules are no headshots. Come follow me. I have one more thing that I could show you that would be fun to do with this. Stay tuned. So, your doo-doo launcher is made. You want a little extra. So, why don't I have a little objective? So, I've made a target out of chalk. And you can do this. Let's have a little fun with this. 3, 2, 1. Woo! So all you need is a wall for this and a little chalk. If you don't have chalk, find a nice white rock from your neighbor's yard and you can do this. And I hope you have fun with your doo-doo launcher rolls. I had fun. I hope you did too. Stay tuned. 2 and 2, creatality, peace, love, inspiration. Create your own reality.